you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an interesting video to do. So I've had this makeup cabinet for quite a while. I really like it, but it's sort of not really in my color palette anymore, if that makes any sense. I really think I might keep it, but maybe in the new house I'll have a better spot for it. So this is what the old makeup cabinet used to look like. You guys will remember it when I did a tour of like all my makeup cabinet. That was back, honestly, I don't even know. It was like 2014 or something like that. So anyways, I'm gonna take you guys through this. I found this makeup cabinet on the internet and it is in like a buy and sell site, so I thought we could probably do sort of like a makeover to it. That's the plan for today. Let me show you this makeup cabinet. So here it is. It's being advertised as a vintage 18 drawer storage tool chest. They're offering to sell it with this little stand, but I don't really like the stand. I think I'll probably just put it on something I already have, kind of probably what my old one was on. I really love it. The wood is really beautiful. I don't love this gray color, so I'm hoping that when I get it, I'll be able to sand off that gray color, because yeah, I'm not a fan of that at all, but it's really awesome. And I like how each drawer is so big, because my old one, the drawers were so tiny, so it just really didn't work for me. Yeah, so, and they're offering $229. Like, that is expensive, but at the same time, that's probably what it should sell for. So let's go pick this thing up. Okay, you guys, so here it is. It's just in the trunk of my car right now. I'm just gonna take it into the garage because we are gonna sand this, because I'm not really a big fan of this kind of gray color. I'd rather it be the wood color. So let's take this out. If you look in there, it's just like a regular wood. So I'm gonna try to strip some of this gray paint off of it and see what we have left. Okay, you guys, so check it out. This is what it ended up looking like. I ended up taking off those side panels just because I thought this kind of was like a more intricate, kind of cool vintagey look. I do have to kind of go through the drawers right now and try to re-establish where they go. If you were to open this one, for instance, it would open 2 drawers. I think that happens again down here. So right now I'm just gonna try to organize these into their rightful spots, because yeah, a lot of them do that and that's not gonna work. So give me a hot second. So I'm taking this drawer and I'm gonna make this my everyday makeup drawer. That way when I'm getting ready in the morning, I can just pull out this drawer and have everything. Also, the reason why I'm choosing this one is because it has these little notches in it, which I thought would be really great for all of my brushes. I've pretty much sorted my everyday makeup into this guy. I have like a bunch of other things that I use, but I'm not gonna put them in this drawer because literally like these were all highlight kits, and right now I'm just using like these Pixie highlights and this Smashbox one. So like honestly, I don't need those in there. If I want another highlight, I will go to the highlight drawer. So I'm gonna slide him in here so that every day when I wanna do my makeup, I can just come, take this drawer out, and then sit it down there and do my makeup in front of that mirror. I think, I don't know, don't judge me, that might not stay there, but anyways, so this is gonna be my everyday makeup drawer, yay! When it comes to these other drawers, I really have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Up here, like I think that this should be sort of our foundations, primers drawer, so I'm gonna start and put all of those into here. have this crazy idea that we should maybe sort lip products by color and not brand, because brand wise I find that I'm not like reaching for a lot of colors. Like I want this certain color, I know what color it is, so I kind of just reach for, like, if I knew Kylie had a cool tone nude, I'd be like, okay, but I wouldn't even think to try the Bite cool tone nude that they have. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna switch it up this time, and instead of sorting by brand, I think I'm gonna sort by color. Okay, so I have this Dymo, it's like a label maker. Basically, I want to say what's in each drawer. So this one is primer and foundation. P, R, I. So we should have something that looks like this. So then when you take it off, there's just this sticky sheet on the back that you pull off. Now you can see this one printed like the A and the D on like the same spot, but I think that kind of looks cool, so I'm not even gonna redo it. There's one drawer done, primer, foundation. Now we're gonna move along to the next one. The one over here is concealer powder, yes. Okay, so here is what it looks like. So the first drawer is primer and foundation. Now I'm gonna have to kind of go through this a little bit and organize it a little bit more, but everything is in there anyways. The second drawer is concealers, and then I have some powders here. I also have brow stuff in the back. I also downsized a little bit when I was putting stuff in here. Not my setting sprays, obviously. Setting spray drawer. The next drawers, we have a bunch of highlights in here. Next drawer, we have blushes. Then this is my everyday drawer, so I already showed you that, guys. That's just all my everyday makeup stuff. And then we have this drawer, which has nudes in it. Obviously, I'm a big fan of the nudes. We have below that, we have a nudes 2 drawer, just because it was overflowing. Back up here, we have pinks. We have reds, lots of cool reds in there. So that was nudes 2. Then we also have our oranges, and then we have mascaras in the back. This drawer is all lip liners. Then down here we have etc. lips. So I put a lot of like glittery metallic stuff in here. So if, you know, I don't reach for that often, so it's good to just have it all in one place. Then I have this, which is like etc. eyes. So it's like eye glitter and things like that, or single shadows, you know, things. I have this like Kylie thing from her Valentine's Day collection, so I put that in there. Just etc. eyes. There's eyeliners and just all that good stuff as well. Then in this one I have eye palettes. I do have this like one Anastasia shadow that's just not in it, but this is where I put a bunch of my eyeshadow palettes. Then over here I have all just straight up face palettes, so anything like that. I got rid of a bunch of palettes as well, but this is like highlights and face palettes. We have brushes in this drawer. We have glitter in this drawer. There's still a lot of makeup in my IKEA Alex drawer in my office, like new PR stuff that I have to go through. But for the time being, this is kind of like the majority of my makeup. I have done a lot of decluttering over the last little while. I really, really like my setting spray drawer. I just love how great it looks. I love setting sprays. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I need to do some thrifting. I need to design the top of this. I need to get some cute little house decor and stuff to put up there. So maybe I'll do a little thrift with me for the bedroom. It's nice to have this in my bedroom because I think it's such a cute, beautiful piece to have. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.